Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:30 a.m. At 11:27 p.m., a surge of wind from showers and thunderstorms located along a line extending from Winthrop Harbor to Wonder Lake, moving south at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is